Hey there, my name is David, and in this video I'm going to show you 7 different ways that you can become a millionaire. Now, some of these may be more achievable than others, but it's important to have a variety of options if you want to achieve success. So, whether you are just starting out or are already well on your way, I think you will find something useful in this video. Stay tuned and I will reveal all. 7. Start saving from a young age. Saving money is one of the most important habits that anyone can form. It not only provides security in case of an unexpected financial emergency, but it can also help to grow your wealth over time. One of the best ways to save money is to start from a young age. One of the reasons why it's so important to start saving early is that it gives your money more time to grow. The earlier you start saving, the longer your money has to compound and grow. For example, if you start saving $200 per month at age 25, you will have $300,000 by the time you retire at age 65. However, if you wait until age 35 to start saving, you will only have $210,000 saved by retirement. Another reason why starting to save early is so important is that it can help you build better spending habits. When you have a long-term savings goal in mind, it's easier to resist spending money on unnecessary things. Instead, you're more likely to focus on building your savings so that you can reach your goal. If you're not already saving for retirement or another financial goal, now is the perfect time to start. Begin by setting aside a few dollars each week or month into a saving account or investment account. Over time, you can increase the amount you save as your income grows. Remember, the sooner you start saving, the easier it will be to reach your financial goals. Invest in stocks and mutual funds. Many people think that the only way to achieve this is to inherit money or win the lottery. However, there are other, more reliable ways to become a millionaire. One of the most effective methods is to invest in stocks and mutual funds. Over time, these investments can generate a significant return, allowing you to achieve your financial goals. Another key element of becoming a millionaire is to live below your means. By carefully managing your finances and prioritizing savings, you can gradually build up your wealth over time. With patience and discipline, it is possible to achieve financial independence and become a millionaire through savvy investing. 5. Own a business. Anyone can become a millionaire if they own their own business. It doesn't matter what the business is, as long as it is profitable. Owning a business has many benefits. You are your own boss. You make your own hours, and you get to decide how much money you make. There are also tax breaks for businesses, which can save you a lot of money. If you are thinking about becoming a millionaire, owning your own business is the best way to do it. 4. Purchase real estate. What's the best way to become a millionaire? While there is no surefire formula, one of the most effective methods is to invest in real estate. By buying property and renting it out, you can generate a healthy income that will continue to grow over time. And as your portfolio expands, so too will your net worth. Of course, purchasing real estate is not without its risk. The market can be volatile and there is always the potential for tenants to damage your property. But with careful research and a bit of luck, investing in real estate can be a very lucrative endeavor. So if you're looking to become a millionaire, it's well worth considering a purchase in the real estate market. 3. Get a high-paying job. There are a lot of ways to become a millionaire, but one of the most reliable is to get a high-paying job. Of course, not just any job will do. You will need to choose a career that pays well and offers room for advancement. But if you can find a job that meets this criteria, you will be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. There are a few key things to look for in a high-paying job. First, make sure the salary is high enough to allow you to save up a significant amount of money. Second, look for a job with good benefits and job security, as this will help you weather tough times financially. Finally, try to find a job that offers opportunities for advancement. This way, you can earn raises and promotions over time, which will boost your earnings even further. If you can find a high-paying job that meets all of these criteria, you will be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. So start searching today. Your future self will thank you. 2. Create a diverse network of income streams. This means having multiple sources of income that can provide you with the funds you need to reach your financial goals. While some people may rely on a single source of income, such as their salary from their job, others may have multiple sources, such as investments, rental properties, and business ventures. Creating a diverse network of income streams can help to reduce the risk of financial problems and gives you more options for reaching your financial goals. You can make sure that you always have money come in, no matter what happens in the economy or in your personal life. Building a strong network of income stream is one of the best things you can do to secure your financial future. 1. Stay out of debt. The first step to becoming a millionaire is pretty simple. Stay out of debt. This may seem like common sense, but it's amazing how many people spend their lives mired in credit card debts, car loans, and other types of borrowing. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to start by getting out of debt and staying out of debt. One of the best ways to do this is to live below your means and save as much money as possible. That way, if an unexpected expense comes up, you will have the cash on hand to pay for it instead of having to put it on a credit card. By living below your means and saving as much money as you can, you will be well on your way to becoming a millionaire. So there you have it, everything you need to know about becoming a millionaire. It's not easy, but it is possible with hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start working towards your goal.